Bagong lahat, kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit na rin ang bell button para lagi kang updated sa aking video.
Step on up to this. Step on up to this. Step on up to this crazy love. Step on up to this. Step on up to this. Step on up to this crazy love. Hey, I'm classy, but I don't mind if you get at me. It's okay to get nasty, just the way that you like. You
Wanted to share my relevant on this theme. So this is the materials reuse. Crepe paper from previous projects, old plastic, unused fabrics, ripped and tattered map, acrylic paint from past projects, and new mask. So this dress is relevant to the pandemic as the mask on the Earth's continents represents everyone having a hard time due to pandemic itself. The lover representing the constant climate change affecting the world, which has even worse because of the pandemic. The crepe paper sleeves, which look like a fire, represents hot temperatures suddenly affecting us due to greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. I wanted to make this dress so everyone is aware of the things affecting us, especially the pandemic. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. 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 Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.